Easy and delicious dinner recipes don't have to be hard to make. Today, we're making a special lobster bisque pasta. This special dish is a treat to make and a comfort food that tastes delicious. You can make this as a romantic dinner or just enjoy at home. Whether you love seafood or pasta, this dish has it all. Sometimes you are just too busy to treat yourself, but today's recipe can be made in an evening. Not only does it taste wonderful, it's so easy to make, so let's get cooking. Dice half a red onion, then cut about 15 cherry tomatoes. While we boil a pot of water, we'll also mince 4 garlic cloves. We're using 17 ounces of Geely pasta, but feel free to use something else. We'll boil this for about 2 minutes before straining and setting aside. We'll be using 12 ounces of langostino tails, 1/3 cup of chopped spinach, and 16 ounces of lobster bisque from Trader Joe's. With 1 teaspoon of oil, we'll sweat our onion and garlic for 2 minutes. Then add the tomatoes and cook for about 3 minutes until softened. Then add the lobster. And a pinch of salt and pepper. Then add the lobster bisque and stir. Add 1/3 cup of spinach. Stir some more. Allow it all to come to a simmer. Once it's been brought to a simmer for about a minute, we can add our pasta. And stir it all together. And boom, you have a delicious lobster bisque pasta. This dish is full of flavor from the lobster to the tomatoes. Everything just goes so well together. Each bite is wonderful, and all this took was a couple of minutes to make from the comfort of our home. Special dishes like this are really great examples of how you can make some of your favorite restaurant quality meals at home for a fraction of the cost. We can even meal prep this into about 6 servings. Reheating this during the week is a great option to save time. If you enjoyed, be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.